Hello, in this video we're going to take a look at an application problem that involves finding where a function is increasing or decreasing. Alright, so we have the function a of x equals 0.003 x cubed minus 0.04x squared plus 0.16x plus 0.02. This function approximates the blood alcohol concentration in the bloodstream x hours after consuming one drink. This function is valid for x in the range from 0 to 5 hours. All right, so if we want to find where this function is increasing and decreasing, the first thing we need to do is find the derivative. So the derivative of 0.003x cubed is 0.009x squared. And the derivative of negative 0.04x squared is negative 0.08x. The derivative of 0.16x is 0.16, and then the derivative of 0.02 is 0. So our derivative is this quadratic function here. And I'm not seeing any main GCF that we could factor out of this. You could try any one of the methods to solve a quadratic equation, but I'm going to go ahead and stick with the old reliable quadratic formula. So we get negative b, our b value is negative 0.08, so that's going to be a positive 0.08 plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2a. And if you plug that in the calculator, you get two answers. The first one, I believe this one was the minus, you get approximately 3.04, and you get 5.85. And those are rounded. Now remember that this function is only valid from 0 to 5, so that's the domain we're looking at. So we can automatically throw out that 5.85 because it's not in the range. Okay, draw our number line. We are going to have this going from 0 to 5. And we're looking at our critical value there of 3.04. And in the context of this problem, it would hopefully make sense that the blood alcohol concentration is increasing right after you consume the drink and then starts decreasing. But let's just make sure that this function follows that trend. So we need to pick something that's between 0 and 3.04. So I'm going to go ahead and use 1. So that would be 1 hour after you consume the drink. And then we'll pick something that's between 3.04 and 5, so I'll stick with 4 hours there. We are plugging this into our derivative function, so when we plug those values in, we're plugging them into our derivative. So if we plug in 1, we're going to get 0.009 minus 0.08 plus 0.16. That is going to be a positive number. So that means our function is increasing between 0 and 3 hours. And then if we plug in 4, for that we do get a negative number. So that means that the concentration is decreasing. So it is increasing between 0 and 3.04 hours, and it is decreasing between 3.04 and 5 hours. All right, I'll see you guys next time.